What's up, everybody? It's me, go back again. Piggy Book 2, Chapter 7. Alright, let's play it. Play it. Boop. I hear there's new skins, but I already bought one. It's in Book 2. There's Dakota. And then, obviously, Cracks Dakota, everyone's favorite skin from now on. There's items, the blueprints. If you want them, you could either play like every map like 20 times or just play Carnival and look all around the map and then just get killed by the pig. Speaking of Piggy, why do I only have that? I have an epic team of Slow, Black Hole, and Nub. Oh, now. Oh, this is book 1. I will see you when I'm in book 2. Book 2, there we are. Normal servers never did anything good. That's what I do. Ooh, the pool. I hear lighthouse. Skip time. I haven't played Piggy in a while. I was mostly playing Perry's mod. Was Gary's mod. Was Larry's mod. You get the point. As a win. Yes, I've only made one video, but I love Among Us. If you want to see another Among Us video, just leave it down in the comments. As much as I just love to take you across the North Sea, the tactical tiger took my boat. There has to be some other way to get across the sea. Ooh. Where does the pig spawn? On my second account, I'm going to see where it spawns. Oh yeah, I have this from the metaverse. I have no idea what the metaverse is about, but I did it. You guys could comment all you want about how dumb I am at this chapter. Where is the red key? I'm just gonna open that just in case. Where does the red key go? Wow! What's up here? I saw the orange key on the other floor. I didn't know there was a shovel. Give me the green key. I saw it go to the lighthouse. I knew there was like that hole under. Buttons. I love buttons. Ooh, a battery. Oh, battery's still there. That's cool. I wonder where the exit door is. You guys are probably gonna comment it was right in front of you, but I'm Dumb Boy Joe. That's blue door. Oh, Piggy spawns behind the lighthouse on my second account. I'm too busy being the map to show you, but what's there? I wonder what purple safe gives me. And I wonder where is Blue Key? How many batteries do we need to get like the white key? Or 2 more. And oh, I think the batteries open this and up this the white key. I don't know what that does, but one of the only things I've unlocked, I'm gonna check up here. what this is. The plank. I know where the plank goes. Oh, third battery. Oh, grapple hook. That's so cool. Ooh, okay. I know where this goes. The grapple hook. Oh, yeah, a gun. Oh, wait. Isn't the Willow's gun at the beginning? It leads to the lighthouse. That's so genius. Oh, the shovel. I know where the shovel is. Yes, I'm ignoring the battery. That's what I do. Ignore things that I need more. I need to find the exit door. And where did I leave that shovel? You guys could comment dum dum in below because I literally saw the This is a blue building. I got it. Oh, this behind the blue door. Nerd. Nub. That battery. You think if I fall, I die? I'm not gonna test. Oh, that's the final battery. You guys could watch any other person beat this. Except me, because I'm garbage at this. And then after I'm gonna show some footage as me as cracks a cord. So like, what did that do? Oh my! Is that a whole nother section of the map? Whoa, I beat it! Hello, is anyone there? Who goes there? Fast. So, this is the skin. It has 3 eyes. Look how much teeth there is. Imagine just, oh, I love this new map. Ah, there's a kraken, run for your life. And there's this thing that now. Or you can't just, or you just can't collect it. Whoa, it even glowed. Yeah, it's like this weird glow. And cool. People said like the hitbox would be like too big for some doors, but I guess they're wrong. It's way too big for that. I'm gonna go catch. I did promise some footage. No, 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 no. I'm gonna keep trying till I grab the gun. Boop, 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 boop. What? I actually got the gun. What? I always know I have a gun, but it doesn't show in my hotbar. We still, you like made of snow. Have the tentacle go through you. Go inside of the snowman. I can't get you because it's inside. Because he's inside. Now, what's this animation? Whoa, he uses his legs and arms. That's that's gonna be it for today's video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. It's always something or another thing. It's always hard. And make sure you like, hit that gray like button, make it blue. Don't hit the thumbs down one. Only if this video was really trash, then you could. But I don't think it was trash. And also, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications to make sure you never miss one of my awesome videos. And if it takes like a month or two to upload, I'm trying. I just forget because there's so much going on. And finally, hit that subscribe button, red to gray. I really think I could hit around 50 subs by the end of 2020. Maybe even 100. Hopefully that would happen because that would mean the world to me. And that's it. Bye! Finally. Oh, I forgot. Never mind. But before we end the video, I heard that the coda is a dolphin. Hang on, let it swoop around. Yeah, that's a dolphin tail. How the feet work. And I don't know why they gave the Kraken this name. It's like, no. And Polly, the first ever secret skin, to Gold Piggy, the newest ever secret skin. You guys cannot get Nub anymore, or any skins anymore. You could get Cove, Pumpkin, Nub, and that Christmas one. And I am a little sick, so that's why that stuff. Items, let's check them out before I end off the video because I still have like 3 minutes, but spent for 3 seconds. 6 energy. You start with this one for free. The other ones you need blueprints, but reveal all items first. Locations for 6 seconds and also all doors. Build a decoy of yourself. Level 1. 15 seconds. Reveal all items to your teammates for 6 seconds. Team energy boost. Give your teammates 2+ energy. Oh, I don't care about my team. I care about being it myself. That's how good I am. But that's actually really it. Goodbye, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and hard mode is coming out sometime today.